friends, welcome to Hello Crafty. In this video we're going to see a backdrop decoration for Ganesh festival. This looks very grand, yet it is very simple to make and it needs very minimal items to complete this project. You can do this decoration within no time, so do check out this video. Prior to this video I have uploaded few other Ganesh decoration videos, so please do check the description box for the links. Apart from festive videos, I also do craft and other creative videos, so please do visit my channel and utilize all the creative ideas. So without further delay, let's get into the video.
The height of the Ganesha statue which I am using is approximately 8 inches. The width of the cardboard which I have selected is 28 inches and the length of the cardboard is 24 inches. I'm gonna make a frame using this cardboard. For that I am marking dots on all the sides, leaving 2 inches of gap. Once the dots are marked, I'm gonna join all the dots and make it a straight line. After repeating the same on all the 4 sides, the cardboard gonna look like this. With the help of the utility knife, I'm gonna cut the cardboard on the inner lines. Once it is done, remove the center piece and keep it aside. Now this is the frame we are looking for and the width of this frame is 2 inches all around. Now we're gonna work on the center piece of the cardboard. I'm marking dots, leaving 2 inches of gap and making a straight line using these dots, and I'm gonna repeat the same on the complete cardboard. So the gap between all these lines is 2 inches. With the help of utility knife, I'm gonna cut this cardboard into 2 inches of strips. Now the frame and the strips are ready. Now we're gonna stick all the strips on the frame to give the extra strength. Apply a quality glue in this way, so you will need less quantity of glue to complete this project. In the same way, apply all the strips onto the frame to give the extra strength. When the frame is ready, we're gonna cover this with a gift wrap paper. I'm gonna show you how to wrap this paper on the frame easily. Fold the paper into half and then fold again into another half, and now we're gonna cut this paper into 4 pieces. You can also use any craft papers or any tissue papers to cover this frame. This is the rear side of the frame. Out of 4 pieces, I have taken 1 piece of paper and I'm attaching in this way to the frame. Using a small piece of paper, I'm covering the gap. In the same way, I'm gonna cover the entire frame. Almost the frame is covered. I will show you how to cover the corners. I have taken a piece of paper and I'm placing it on the corner of the frame, and I'm gonna cover this in this way. Making a slit here to cover the ends. I'm gonna list all the items which I am using in this project in the description box below. Once the frame is covered, this is how it's gonna look.
To further reduce the work, you can make this frame with a thermocol which is of 2 to 4 inches.
I'm gonna mark dots on this frame, leaving 4 inches of gap. Dots on 4, 8, 16 and 20. That was for the breadth of the frame. Now for the length of the frame, we're gonna mark on 4, 8, 12 and 16. Which means we are getting 5 points on the breadth and 4 points on the length. All the marks are marked. Let's see the next procedure. We can get these type of pattern tapes in any stationery store. So I'm gonna stick these tapes on the dots which we have marked. We need to stick this tape very carefully or else it's gonna mess up. We have completed attaching the strips on one side. Now we have to put on the opposite side to make it look like a diamond shape. For this project, I hardly used one cardboard, 2 gift wrap papers and half of sellotape. After sticking the tape, if you feel that shape is not perfect, you can always remove this carefully and restick it. Let's see how we can add the bells to this tape. I have stitched these bells to the tape using a needle. You can also tie this directly. I have stitched this brass bell using 3 points so that it will have a grip and it won't fall down due to weight. While you add these bells, the tape may stick to the surface, so make this frame stand to a wall and tie them. So this is the final output with added background. Instead of bells, you can add artificial or real flowers, even that will look good in this decoration.
If you like this video, please give this video a big thumbs up and please let me know your feedback in the comment section below. I do read all the comments and reply to each and every comment. Also share this video for those who love to decorate on festivals and subscribe to Hello Crafty and hit the bell icon to stay updated with my upcoming videos. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned to Hello Crafty. See you all soon in the next video.